Hello beautiful people, good morning, and how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I welcome you too. So today, like I promised you guys before, I'm going to show you how to float the gears. If you want to drive a bigger truck, how to drive the truck without clutch. So I'm going to show you the secret behind them, because you cannot do it effortless. You must have something in mind before doing that, and you must do it intentionally. So you don't just do it by mistake, or you do it because others say they are doing it. So you must be intentional. You must know why you are doing it. So today I'm going to give you 2 tips on how to do it, so that you don't damage your clutch plate, you don't damage your propeller, and you won't have issue with the truck. It's very simple, but it is for the learned driver. It is for experienced drivers. Right? Okay. Like when you want to move your truck at rest, that is 0 km/h. That is, the truck is at rest. You're either going to use the gear 1 or gear 2. If the truck is on load, you are going to use your gear 1, or the truck is uphill, you are going to use gear 1. But if it is not uphill, it's not on load, you can use your gear 2, depending on how experienced you are. Right? So if you are going to move the truck, you first of all match your clutch. After that, you are not going to be using the clutch. Like the video I'm going to show you guys, I will make sure I hang my leg on the dashboard so you can see it very clear that I didn't put my leg on the clutch and I'm not using it while I move. So first of all, I put my leg on the clutch and move at rest, move from rest. Then from there, I move it without the clutch. And there is a reason why I do that. And before you can do that, you must calculate the RPM. There is what we call rolling power mechanism. And all those rolling power mechanism is different from each gears. Gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, gear 4, gear 5, gear 6 is almost in the same power, a rolling power mechanism, which is from 0 to 20. You can change from 1 to 5 gears. Like this particular truck I'm driving is 9 gears, so the rolling power mechanism for 1 to 5 is 20 km/h. After 20 km/h, you have to pin your gear and start after 21. That is gear 6, 7, 8, and 9 is 20 to 40 km/h. Within this period of time, you are expected to change it within its specific space, so that you don't miss the rolling power mechanism. If you miss it, it is going to give you this horrible sound from the propeller and the gearbox, and you are going to damage it. So for that moment you are doing it, you have to be very fast. While being very fast on it, you make sure you put it appropriately. Don't hang it somewhere. Second tips is, while you move without clutch, the only thing you have to be doing at that moment is to press your throttle, to accelerate so hard so that it will open the clutch plate. The clutch booster is going to work at that moment. When you press your throttle, it is going to use that power to press the clutch plate. That is the intermediation between the clutch plate and the gear. If you press the throttle, it is going to open for you to put the gear, right? Because the clutch serves as hook between the gear and the clutch plate. When you press the clutch, it gives you space. The same thing happens when you match the throttle hard, that is the accelerator. If you accelerate very hard, it's going to give you space to your gear. And it's going to give you, when you move so fast, immediately you remove it, it's going to still give you space where you remove the gear. Right? same thing happens there. Those are the two tips you do while you drive without clutch, right? So guys, it is show time. Let the show begin. Learn, memorize, focus. And remember, we have this slogan: your head must be on the game, your eyes on the road, and your two hands on the steering, which is the wheel. Those are the two slogans. Let the show begin. Let's go and see what I got there to show you guys. Alright guys, so it's time. Gear 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you can see my leg. I'm not using the clutch, right? 6, 7. This is my leg. 8. 9 complete. So there is no rocket science here. Alright guys, I'm going to still show you another video, so stay with me. In the first gear, you're going to match your clutch. You match down your clutch, you put your gear. Then from there you have to start floating. So watch me out. This is gear 1. I match my gear. I match my clutch, right? It's on clutch, right? Now I move. While I move, I put my leg here, so you can see that I'm not going to use gear. Clutch. Can you see that? This is both clutching. Float is not clutching now. This is gear floating. Get it? 4, 5, right? 6. Can you see where I put my leg? Because I'm floating the gear. 7, 8. I'm floating the gears. 9. That's all. This is what I call floating, not double clutching this time around. So, stay with me. I'm going to show you some crazy things about trucking. Alright? Let's go there. Alright guys, that's all I have concerning gear floating, driving the truck without the gear. So, if you have question, I suggest you drop it on the comment section, and I'm going to make video concerning that. So, all you have to do for me is subscribe to my channel and like my video, so that I will be here dishing out all the stuff you need concerning truck, and you will really get all you need. Because if you subscribe to my channel, you will get notification when I drop another video about trucking, because I have a lot of videos to drop. I hope you enjoy this channel. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.